Dear colleagues, now you can access remotely power station that all 12 transformers within EGTEC A1 factory and monitor electrical parameters of each transformer as you require. As a first step, you can access SCADA website by writing this URL in the browser: http://accada1/a1/default.aspx. This is the website of SCADA within A1. You can access this website via your device, computer, phone, tablet, or etc. Then press power saving button. Now you can see the power factor of each transformer. Then the other parameters will be monitored soon. And also you will be able to create a report through any historical period you want as the next step. Thank you.